Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for telehealth services with Teladoc, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the Teladoc website or download the Teladoc app from your device's app store. Click on the sign up or register button prominently displayed on the homepage. Enter your personal information, including your name, email address, and date of birth. Create a secure password for your account that meets the specified criteria. Review and accept the terms of service and privacy policy by checking the appropriate boxes. Click on the Next or Continue button to proceed with your registration. You may be prompted to provide additional details, such as your address and phone number. Fill in the required fields thoughtfully and accurately. After completing the form, click Continue to move to the next step. Verify your email address by checking for a confirmation email from Teladoc. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. Once confirmed, return to the Teladoc app or website to log in with your new credentials. Complete your profile by filling in any required health information. This may include insurance details, medical history, and preferred pharmacy. Ensure all information is accurate and up to date before proceeding. Review your profile settings and make any necessary adjustments. If applicable, select your health insurance provider from the list provided. Confirm your choices and save your profile settings. You are now registered and ready to access telehealth services. Explore the app or website to familiarize yourself with available services. When you're ready for a consultation, simply click on the Get Care option. Choose the type of service you need, such as a medical or mental health consultation. Follow the prompts to book an appointment at a time that suits you. Provide any additional information required for your consultation. Once your appointment is booked, you will receive a confirmation notification. Prepare for your appointment by gathering any relevant medical information or symptoms. At the time of your appointment, log into your account and follow the link to join the consultation. Enjoy your telehealth experience with Teladoc, knowing healthcare is just a few clicks away. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.